Deep in the jungles of Mexico, researchers have uncovered something extraordinary. Using cutting-edge technology, they've revealed a massive ancient city. Hidden for over 1,000 years, this discovery is rewriting history. The city spans over 60 square kilometers. That's larger than many modern cities today. Pyramids, plazas, and residential areas lay hidden beneath the canopy. LiDAR technology fires millions of laser pulses per second. These pulses penetrate vegetation to map the ground beneath. What once took decades of ground exploration now takes just days. The artifacts found here date back to 600 AD. This was a major Maya ceremonial center. The main pyramid stands over 40 meters tall. The Maya were master astronomers and mathematicians. Their buildings aligned perfectly with celestial events. This city housed an estimated 50,000 people. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew. The Maya civilization was far more complex than previously believed, and this is just one of dozens of sites recently discovered. Protecting these sites is now the top priority. Remote monitoring systems guard against looting. The Mexican government has declared the area a protected zone. New technology promises even more discoveries. The next generation of archaeologists is already training here. Who knows what other secrets lie hidden beneath the jungle floor? This massive city in Mexico is just the beginning of rewriting ancient history.